guys, how are you doing?
I'm good.
You're good. So we are out here. I am on my lunch break real quick from work. I don't have a whole lot going on today as far as meetings, as you can tell, because my hair's like all freaking out. I don't know what's up with that. It looks like I put my hand in a light socket or something. But anyways, what we're doing is here real quick on my lunch break, I went out to the greenhouse and we have lettuce that we need to get in the ground, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah. So, yeah, absolutely. I've got some Cosmic Crimson. These are the Marysville, I don't know, he moved it, I can't see it. Marysville quarter lettuce and the Ice Queen. And then I've also got some Rocky Top lettuce that I need to get in the ground. And I have got some room in my flower beds since we pulled out some radishes and had some radishes and stuff like that. So here it is, January the 5th, the day after our anniversary, and we're planting some more lettuce. I think I'll take it. I don't know, what do you think? I had some carrots that were planted in this area. I've got one here, and I had some lettuce that popped up that wasn't actually supposed to pop up, and that was part of this, and they didn't do a whole lot. So I'm just going to go ahead and put in my Ice Queen here. I know I've got quite a bit in these little compartments. I kind of
take it out of the tray and push your finger up from the bottom.
That's what I was doing here.
No, you just lay the tray thing aside, out of the way.
I've got like roots going like crazy in here. So let's go ahead and get these in here.
Oh, you got a bunch of seeds in one, huh?
Yep, I did.
Cool.
Ricky, what are you doing, boy?
You turn the electric back on that thing.
Uh-huh. Give him a little spice in his life.
Mm-hmm.
I think my pepper here is done.
Your pepper.
My habanada.
Oh, yeah. You got a couple in the greenhouse, though.
Yay.
In fact, I think you got a ripe one.
Oh.
Just give me the tag and I'll take it back and recycle it.
Have a habanada. Thanks. So I'm just breaking apart these little ones and sticking them in their new happy home. And then we'll give you guys an update on it here before too long. But we had that marvelous salad the other day. And oh my goodness, it was so good, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm.
And a lot of it, what made it, I think, so marvelous is a lot of it was from our garden.
Most of it was.
Yeah. Okay, there it is. Okay. All right. Might just put a couple. All righty. So I've got my Ice Queen in. I've got my Merville Discorte lettuce to do yet. I know my collards are going to get bigger, so I really don't want to do that, but I do have a row of radishes that didn't do well over there, so I think I'm just going to put those over there. Here we go. We've got more, but I'll put these in the salad tower.
Keep your tag with it so you know.
I've got my tag in here.
Oh, gotcha.
Okay. Now I have got over here some peppers that I need to pull up, that they are done. Get all that good stuff off. Mm-hmm. And I wanted to show you guys, this is really cool. My son was here and we had some green onions, which we normally do. And then we cut the root part off of the green onions, and he's like, Ma, you should plant that. So I did, and look at this. I have got fresh green onions coming up. So Zach, I did it. And that worked. So we've got green onions coming. Pretty cool.
Yep, that is pretty cool.
Huh?
I said, yep, that is pretty cool.
Yeah. All right. So here's the other habanada pepper thing. That Vero didn't make it. All right. So let me get my Cosmic Crimson, and I'll get that in right here at the edge.
Oh, shoot. There's spider webs over here.
Oh.
And I need to take this butterfly bush down now.
Well, you cleared out the spider webs for it.
Yeah.
So. All right.
So where are you going to go all the way up there?
I'm going to start here and go down. This is just one leaf, so we'll just pop that in right there. Let it take off and grow, little guy, grow. Same thing here. Whoop. Stereo roosters going on. All right. Oh, here too. I tried to be more careful on these, if you can't tell.
But really, it did good. I mean, you was able to see how easy it was to separate them.
It was very easy. And I got more out of that planting, that seed start, than I did on these. Oh, I'm sorry, sweetie. Those are pretty, aren't they?
Mm-hmm.
And I had one that the seed didn't take. So there we go. Cosmic Crimson's all in. That's all I had of it though.
Okay.
So
you can see how much of an advantage it was to put several seeds in those
absolutely.
And it's hard to believe that in that tiny little egg crate, that all of those seeds did good enough to plant.
Yep. So on this one, I'm just going to go ahead and I'll plant. This is the rocky top, and I'll just get going on it and finish it out here in this row. And then I've got a little place up here that I'll be able to put some that didn't happen over here for our spinach. All right. Now I'll go ahead and put these.
Can you just do another row beside that?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, because these are just onions.
Onions, yeah, you can even go a little bit closer to the onion, I think.
Look at that.
Yep.
Now they'll have somewhere for those roots to grow.
Get it going. I don't know. There it's going now. Wow, sorry about that.
As you can see, some of these didn't do real good, and I don't know if I don't know what it is,
Yeah,
but we're getting
why.
ready to not only put these healthy starts in here, but Rob's going to fertilize this for me too. So I'm going to pull and thin out some of these, but leave some of these and see if it was just a matter of fertilization or if it was a matter of the seed that I used. Exactly what it is, I'm not sure.
Yeah, because you can see everything like germinated.
Everything germinated.
And then stunted. It just didn't really give us any salad.
So we're getting ready to.
And you got a bunch there if you need to separate too.
Mm-hmm. I even have some little onions coming up. Got a few of them put in there. We're going to fertilize them and see if it was the seed, see what it was, but see if the fertilizer will help them.
Yep.
So hopefully.
They should all start taking off here if I fertilize them. Have you fertilized them at all other than?
I did once or twice, but not
That
like.
should have helped.
Yeah, I would have thought so, but yeah, good girl. Time to go back to work. I know. Whoa. Okay, good morning. I just wanted to give you a really quick update here. Y'all are going to think I look this way all the time, but I just got up, just let my chickens out. So they're busy enjoying their little snacks and everything that I put out for them this morning. I gave them, I cut up a clementine. Good morning, Ricky. Hi, Lucy. They're so stinking cute. But it got really cold last night, so they were all in their own little coop and keeping warm and everything like that. But what I wanted to share with you is I know that you guys saw me plant those lettuces the other day on my lunch hour, and I wanted to give you a quick little update as to what we did so that we would be able to save those. So give me just a second. All right, so last night after I got off of work, Rob and I did some running. We stopped at Lowe's and we picked up a roll of plastic. The plastic that we picked up, it was 6 mil plastic, and it was a 10-foot by 100-foot roll. Came to like $95, but it's enough plastic to do little things like this. So we did that, and this is the one that has the peas, the sunflowers, and then all those little lettuces planted in this end. And then over here, we did this, and if you look, can you guys see the moisture in here? Well, we've got actually a little heater in there that we put in there with it to keep all of that nice and warm. So our little lettuces that we planted, they're going to be just fine. So I just wanted to give you that quick update before we head out for the morning. And Ricky says, good morning, everybody. All right, this is the 11th of January, and we wanted to show you real quick. We're just going to take a quick little peek because we've got this covered because of the cold weather that we've been having. But look, guys, our plugs are still there. They're still plugging away. All right, let's take a look over on the other side real quick. Good night, Ricky. All right, so real quick, here is the other bed that we have got our other lettuces in. I wanted to show you what those are looking like, and our little green onions, they're just going and growing too. So they're still good and they're still going. So just wanted to give you that update that it made it so far through the cold weather. Say goodnight, Ricky. No? Okay. He's not going to say goodnight, folks. Have a great... All right. Well, thanks for hanging out with me on my lunch hour. I know this is a short video, but we've got some lettuce in the ground. Those are the seeds that I started in the greenhouse that one day when we were videoing together. And so I'm excited to get all of these different types of lettuces going and in the ground now. I'm ready for some more fresh salad. That's just yummy stuff.
Yeah.
So I got my thumb brown.
All right.
So anyways, you guys have a wonderful day. Be blessed, and we will catch you on the south side.